Hey everybody, this is CL down here in Houston. I got a new tank, the 125 gallon. The IBC water tote, the 275 was, I think, just overkill for me specifically. Primarily focusing on residential right now at this point. Excuse me, it's a little windy right now. So what we got here is a 2-inch bulkhead fitting going to a 1.5 PVC valve, and then a 1.5 banjo T strainer with a 1-inch, with a 1.5 to 1 inch reducer right there with the hose barb. Of course, the 1-inch crust proof hose going all the way to a 1-inch barb. It's kind of windy. I hope it doesn't bother what you're hearing. So I had to do a voiceover. Anyway, right there is a reducer to going 3/4 into the outlet there, which is obviously a 1/2 inch. Machine is 4 gallons a minute. That's a Cat 66 DX, 3,000 PSI, 4 gallon a minute. And then, all right, the pump is a Cat 66 DX, 3,000 PSI, 4 gallons a minute. And then what you're looking at now is the bypass, which runs to a hose barb and to the top of the tank right there, continuously flowing to the top of the tank. Now, this is the 3/4 bulkhead I put in for the Hudson float valve, which runs to the fill reel, which is a couple hundred feet of 3/4, well, 3/4 on the bottom, and then 5/8 hose running right there. All right, everybody, and then right now there's the 3/4 inch bulkhead fitting I put in for the Hudson float valve for the fill reel, which is there's 3/4 hose at the bottom, 100 foot, and then there's 100 feet of 5/8 hose. Right, there's a little plug I cut out for the drain tubing to go out if I need to. This is a 1-inch bulkhead I had to reduce down to 3/4. That was actually already on the tank. 3/4 inch valve and so on and so on, with the barbs and garden hose fittings. The tank, of course, is on a pallet to give me some leverage because I wanted to be going down to the pump. So that gave me a little height on the pump. And then, of course, it let me have my strainer up, because if you see right there at the bottom of the strainer, everything is pointing down. So when I unscrew that, it'll just come down and that gulk won't be all up in the top and go straight into the pump. Yep, so this is my homemade hose reel attached stand. I got this used, the hose reel, actually at a junk. Somebody was throwing it out. So yeah, it was used. Anyway, 2x4s. It's attached to the side of the trailer with some bolts, as you see it right there. And I put some screws in it to go all the way through, some 6-inch or 4-inch screws for a little more stability. This bad boy holds up pretty good. Yeah. And then this is the hose that's actually connected. It's 100 foot, non-markable with an extra one. This used to be the fill reel, and I just put an extra 50 foot on that. It actually came with the machine. So that's it. That is, I mean, of course, you know, I painted it to match the truck, of course. Everything's all dirty now, but, you know, we'll work it out. So if you see me coming down the road in Houston, just blow the horn. I'm waiting on my wrap or something. I don't know, letters or something. We'll figure it out.